Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong next blessing anytime soon. So this is a timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay. Virgo, ano yung blessing sa mga Virgo? Ano yung blessings sa mga Virgo? Okay, you have the 4th house, which is your home life, family life. You have Uranus in Taurus. Okay, merong unexpected na changes in your family life and home life. So, pwedeng meron kayong bagong bahay, bagong living situation. Pwedeng meron kayong i-renovate sa bahay ninyo. Magpapa-extend kayo ng kitchen, magpapalagay kayo ng garahe or ng garden, or pwedeng lilipat, no? Lilipat kayo sa mas malaking bahay, mas komportableng pamumuhay. Ayan. Some of you naman, pwedeng may unexpected reunion with your parents. Okay? So, pwedeng kung matagal nyo na hindi nakikita yung inyong parents, you might be, given a chance to talk to them again, to see them. Okay? You have, meron ditong now this is about some limitations and delays. Okay? Lagi nyong tatandaan na yung mga bagay na beyond our control, hindi na natin kontrolado, na may mga delays, merong mga hindi natutuloy, that is redirection. Okay? Redirection and protection. Kasi marami ng mga nangyari na dahil sa delay, dahil sa hindi natuloy, may postponement, may cancellation. Yun yung naging paraan nila para maprotektahan from any danger. Okay? So, yun na lang laging iisipin ninyo. And then you have Iwas. AHWAS. So, this is about travel opportunities. So, pwedeng you will be traveling with some people. This is also teamwork, pagkakaroon ng tiwala sa sarili mo, no, to explore yung mga interest mo. You also have Thurisas, so this is defense and protection. So I think saan ka man pumunta, ano man yung gawin mo, you are always protected. Your spirit guides are protecting you. And of course, may awareness ka rin, mas maingat ka rin sa mga decision making na gagawin mo. You will do your research bago ka mag-decide, especially if this is a major decision related sa family mo, sa finances mo, sa career mo. Let's see what else. Blessings para sa mga Virgo. Wow, you have the World. This is completion. Ano, success, rewards. There is success. You have the 5 of Wands. So, kung kayo ay sasali sa isang competition, anumang competition to, kayo'y mananalo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring kahit hindi kayo nakikipag-compete, yung mga kasabayan nyo, contemporaries nyo, competitors nyo, you will be the leader. Kumbaga, let's say sa business, kumbaga, meron kang ibubuga, meron kang ilalaban. You have the King of Cups, intuition. You are going to be more connected sa yung higher self. I think when in making decisions, mas gagamitin mo yung iyong instinct. Kasi yan yung mag-guide talaga sa'yo. What's best. Minsan kasi nagde-decide tayo for logical reasons, for practical reasons, but this time for you, your intuition, your instinct, yun yung magli-lead sa'yo sa success. And I also see na you will be more active, no? Mas magiging active ka ngayon sa mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Kumbaga, action-oriented. Ganon. na hindi na lang siya procrastination, na para ano ka yung magde-decide and then action, decide, action, ganun. Kasi para sa'yo, napaka-importante ng oras, napaka-importante ng panahon. Oo. Kaya lang minsan, no, kapag may mga delays or things that happen, may mga hindi ka kontrolado na, isurrender mo na lang. No? Kasi minsan, we get frustrated sa mga bagay na hindi nangyayari para sa atin. But it's actually a way of the universe to teach us a lesson, teach us patience. Okay? You have the Hanged Man. So this is gaining new perspective in life. Self-reflection din to. So I think meron kang mga hinihintay na mga pagbabago sa buhay mo. Actually, yung pagbabago na yan, it starts within us. So part of that changes sa buhay mo is yung mas magiging active ka sa pag-apply ng changes sa buhay mo. Let's say, gusto mo na may magbago sa living condition mo, sa bahay mo. O syempre, hindi naman yun, hihintayin mo lang kung kailan mangyari. Ikaw yung magke-create nun. Ikaw yung mag-a-act. Ikaw yung magte-take ng action doon. Wow, Two of Cups. Ang isa sa blessing ninyo is you have someone in your life who is very supportive sa ginagawa mo. Kumbaga, parang ito ay kanang kamay mo. This can be your romantic partner, your parents, your sister, your siblings, your brothers, or a friend. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Yes. So this is slowly but surely. Okay? Kumbaga yung blessing na darating sa'yo is tuloy-tuloy. Hindi man siya parang mabilis na makikita mo agad. But it's continuous. Nakikita mo yung progress. Okay? There's prosperity coming in. Okay? Merong benefits, may investment. Pero kailangan dito mag-i-invest ka. Mag-i-invest ka ng money, resources, ng time, ng energy, 'di ba? So, lahat naman may magandang nagiging resulta kapag nag-invest ka talaga ng maraming bagay doon. Hindi lang sa pera, hindi lang sa material na bagay, but also yung knowledge, no? Isa rin 'yan sa investment natin. Kasi yung iba iniisip nila, pag gusto ko magnegosyo, lalabas lang ako ng pera tapos na. Hindi gano'n. Hindi lang pera ang i-invest mo sa negosyo. Una, dapat may passion ka do'n. May knowledge ka do'n. That's investment. May time ka, may effort ka. Hindi lang paglalabas ng pera. No? So, yun yung magiging worth it for you. See? You really need that protection. I suggest, Virgo, if you feel like may mga nararamdaman kang any negative energies around you, maging ka na agad, proactive ka na in protecting your energies. Wow, see, you are creative. Marami kang creative na mga talents and skills. And I think this is like a eureka moment. I think this blessing is something na marirealize mo na, that's a great idea. Pwede kong subukan yan, pwede kong simulan yan. Parang may downloads ka from the universe na, hey Virgo, ito, why don't you try to look at this? Baka ito ay magbigay sa'yo ng magustuhan mo. So, syempre, ang action nasa iyo pa rin. Sabi nga, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Okay? So, use your creative side, your creative mindset, your creative skills, your creative ideas. Okay? And look at that. Safe home. This really makes sense. Kasi, di ba, 4th house is about your family, home life. So, I think, isa sa blessing mo is you will be able to provide a safe home, safe living condition with your family. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, gustong-gusto nyo magpakabit ng security system sa bahay, CCTV or what, no? So, magagawa niya na. Wow! Merong exciting event for you, Virgo. Kaabang-abang. Meron ditong depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. May psychic, attacks. Oo. Pwedeng ano yan, yung mga nega energies, jealous people around you, pay attention to them and block their energies. Romance, celebration party. So, yeah, there is an exciting event na isa-celebrate mo. And then, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong you really need to prepare, no? Doon sa mga ipupurso nyo. You really need to invest in your knowledge, your skill set na parang hindi yung walang direksyon yung gusto mong puntahan. No? Kailangan you know what you want and you are prepared for that. Okay? Prepared to take action. So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.